Meet up with a mate. Hopefully we can get some nice highway pulls. Legendary fairings on the R1. Just wanted to put it out there, they look incredible. Mate, I got the biggest disadvantage on the R1. Look at that, man. He's got 250 horsepower, I've got like 200. We're doing nothing. Yeah, we're doing nothing too crazy. 'That fucking acceleration on the Panagata, mate. Holy shit. That's mad. CCs always have the best acceleration, gotta just say that. Absolutely legendary. Sick ride, brother. Just want to say a couple of you guys that are actually watching the video. You're legends. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe and like and comment. New content suggestions, whatever, truck videos, whatever, don't care. Make some suggestions. I need to put some content out there. YouTube's been trying to take down my stuff, so if YouTube, you're watching this, honestly, man, I don't even know what to say. Stop taking down my content. Cheers.